Hi guys, so today I'm going to do another unboxing video. So yesterday I bought like iPad Pro yang 8 inch 11 inch iPad Pro yang 11 inch yang 4 generations Wi-Fi dengan kapasitas RAM-nya itu SSD-nya 256 GB, and this is cost me like 849 euro, 849 dolar, dan kalau dirupiahin itu sekitar 13.175.000 rupiah for iPad Pro yang 8 inch dengan kapasitas SSD-nya itu 256 GB. And then I also have like the pencil. Ini yang generasi kedua, Apple Pencil generasi kedua, and itu kalau harganya di sini itu ada 129 dolar, dan kalau dirupiahin itu sekitar 1.900.000 sekian. Jadi masih di bawah 2 juta, dan kalau di Indo kayaknya di atas 2 juta ya. Nah, kalau di iBox aku lihat itu sekitar 2.700.000-an. Kalaupun diskon kayak 2 juta, masih di atas 2 juta. So but yang ini aku lagi ada promo di kampus karena aku belinya di kampus. Jadi aku cuman bayar yang iPad Pro-nya aja yang 849 dolar, terus dapat gratis pensilnya yang seharga 129 dolar. So huge discount, very nice. Tapi karena di sini setiap beli barang atau beli apapun itu mostly ada taxnya. Jadi kalau yang ini kemarin dapat taxnya itu 8,8%, which is itu kalau di compile semua harganya ini jadinya kayak 924 dolar. Itu kalau dirupiahin sekitar 14 jutaan, 14.300.000 gitu. Dan ini udah dapat iPad Pro sama si Pencil generasi kedua. So now let's check it out. We're gonna open. How does it look like? So I choose the silver one karena cuman yang ini aja yang tersedia di di bookstore NYU, dan yang gray itu harus pesan online, which is I try one time but it doesn't really work karena satu dan lain. So let's open. Got my scissor here. I'm gonna move it here a little bit. And check right. Yes, one. Okay, I think it's only on two sides. Susah ya. Belum pro bukainnya. Second, then this way. Should do it more like this. Silahkan. Okay, it's over. Okay. So here, as always, open it. Right. So This is the iPad, the camera in the back. It's really light. I like it. So we try to open this one. Alright. In the back. Looks cool. Not so bad though. See? Kind of like the color, silver. So it's in front, it's on the back. Now let's see what is in this box. Selain dari iPad-nya, kita lihat ada apa lagi ya. So here's the rest of the box. Open this one, don't know this one. Oh, I think this is the manual. The Pro, kayak petunjuk penggunaannya. Ya, I think I wanna do it this way. Terus ada kepala chargingnya. So, ya ini yang US ya, kayak gini bentuknya kecil. Terus ada di belakangnya untuk nyolokin seperti biasa. I think it's Type C. I think so. So this is the cable. Cool. Really small. You can open it. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Type C cable. Put it here. Not that long, like 1 meter long. So yeah, Type C, so I can put it here later. I can use it for charging. I think it's also can be for the new iPhone 15. Yeah, they are already using the Type C for the charging. Cool. So we put it here. It's only that. Yeah, only the tablet and the charger. So put it here. Alright, here's the iPhone. Not iPhone, the iPad. Cool, and now I'm gonna open this one as well. While opening this one, I'm gonna tune on the iPad first. So which one is it? I think this one. Let's see. So bad. Quite long though. Oh. Yeah. Using a lot of hello types of the hello bonjour. Guess what? I'm gonna use English. And yeah, so the country region, I think United States. Set up manually. Okay, I'm gonna do this later on. Now that I can go focus on setting up. And then I think I wanna open this one first. I just wanna see. So, oops. Go back to the intro. this is the pencil box. I think I can open through this one. Which one is better? I think this way. But oh, it's easy. I think this one again. And we can open this way. So many things inside here. Yeah, I think also the manual that applies so many. I'll wear it later on. And this is the pencil. Ooh. Look cool though. Yeah. And then they wrap it up. Okay. This is the pencil. Look at how elegant. Nice. So I'm gonna use this as well later on. I think that's all. The unboxing video, and see you guys in the next other video. Please follow my and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Dotted Journey, or you can also follow my Instagram that I put on my bio on the YouTube, so you can click that link, and it's already linked to my Instagram, so you can see my activities in New York while I'm studying here. And yeah, just stay connected. Thank you, and see you in the next other video.